Now, criminal behaviour on housing estates is of ongoing concern to police and is particularly worrying for vulnerable residents. Secured by Design is working with police forces, the construction industry and local authorities throughout the UK to design out crime using clever layout and landscaping and police-accredited products like doors, windows and locks. Nick Thatcher has more.
It was very run down. The buildings didn't look very nice, and obviously now we've got the new regeneration and it's a huge transformation. Yeah, it's a place where you want to live now.
Sylvia and her family are enjoying life in their new home on Elephant Park, the Lend-Lease development in central London. It's one of the UK's largest regeneration projects, and it's been planned and constructed to include crime prevention measures from Secured by Design, the national police initiative to improve the environment for people to live in and to set standards for physical security.
We worked on the project from the very beginning.
Lynn Poole is a dedicated Secured by Design Met police officer, and she showed me how the estate is being transformed.
Lynn, it's very different to how it used to look.
Yeah, it definitely is. The landscaping is a lot better now. It's got clear sight lines through. The lighting as well, it's so much brighter at night, and you've got the passive surveillance. Everyone can look out from their lounge windows and look down and see what's going on in the street. And there's no recesses, nowhere for the criminals to hide. And it's not just the external environment we're talking about, it's also the physical security of the building, which is the Secured by Design police preferred specification for the door sets and window sets. Because of the way they're manufactured, they're safer, they're more secure, and so they last longer.
Getting Secured by Design involved from the onset has been critical to the success of Elephant Park, ensuring that the master plan layouts are inherently safe and will provide great secure streets and public spaces as well as homes for our customers. Having those officers involved with the design teams from those early stages avoided abortive work, ensured we reduced our costs, and more importantly, it will leave a legacy of a place which is truly safe for the years to come.
And independent academic research of Secured by Design has found that SPD new build properties are up to 75% less likely to experience a burglary than comparable non-SPD properties, with refurbishments up to 63% less likely to be burgled.
We also wanted to find out what burglars actually think about Secured by Design, so we conducted interviews with 22 prolific burglars currently serving a sentence in prison. And we showed them a series of images of houses and asked them what they thought about those houses. So would they burgle that house or would they not burgle that house? And what they told us confirmed that the principles of Secured by Design are effective in deterring burglars.
And it's not just residential new build like this that Secured by Design provides guidance for. It also deals with everything from refurbishments to commercial properties, schools to hospitals, even big sporting venues, right across the UK.
SPD services are self-funded and work at no cost to the public purse. So clearly, at a time of shrinking police budgets, having a dedicated designing out crime officer who can work with architects, developers and builders brings real benefits.
We know we're policing in times of austerity. We know that if we can prevent crime from happening in the first instance, it frees up capacity, as well as all the heartache that that brings to a victim. If through Secured by Design we can prevent this stuff happening, then why wouldn't we do it? And that's why it's so important that we do have that network of trained and dedicated people who can do this job well.
Yeah, I'm happy in my new home. I feel very safe at nights and daytime. Don't feel I need to worry about any break-ins. All the windows have got double locks and the door's got, an extra security lock. The balconies are really high, no one can get over. So yeah, I feel really safe here.
The principles and guidance from Secured by Design can help people feel safer and make communities more cohesive, as well as support police forces to better manage their resources. A definite win-win in the fight against crime.